Yeah.
What's up my PlayStation Vita follower? Today is something weird for an unboxing. Yes, why I become a fan of Sackboy. Number one reason, there are two games I become a fan of Sackboy. So the number one reason is that LittleBigPlanet, I love that game. Make sure to watch my review of it and gameplay. Another game is PlayStation Battle Royale. Make sure to watch my gameplay and my review and gameplay. I really like this character. This character is some kind of really super cool character. I mean, I can easily say much better than even Mario or Sonic. If Sony want to cash, they can cash it. So I have included the link where I bought it. Before that, make sure to support me on Patreon, because this kind of video take a lot of time to create. Everything I bought from my own pocket. I'm trying to encourage people to buy PlayStation Vita. I have taken the battle solely to promote PlayStation Vita. Even Sony don't want to promote. I want to promote. I want to increase the sale of PlayStation Vita. So please support me on Patreon. Not only that, you can buy my PlayStation Vita t-shirt. If you really are a fan of PlayStation Vita, then why not wear a PlayStation Vita t-shirt in public? So now back to the Sackboy. So the Sackboy really cool. So the dip zipper do not work at all. Overall, it's a quite good Sackboy. I think I will be doing a giveaway for this one. I will doing putting in the back wrap in backly and then doing some kind of giveaway. Why I'm going to do a giveaway? Why I'm not going to keep this one? Because I already ordered like two more. So this is the first one I arrived. So I pay a little bit more. I bought this one from eBay. For the next two is coming from Amazon.com. Amazon is a little bit cheaper. So firstly, I bought one for giveaway, one for my personal, and one for my small little cute sister. So if my video get at least 1000 like, I'll be doing this one a giveaway. Okay, 1000 like. For giveaway, you just need to leave your any comment. You can say I have a stupid accent, it doesn't really matter. You can dislike my video, it doesn't really matter. So to enter the giveaway, just like my video, dislike my video, or leave the comment in the comment section below. I will randomly choose a comment and then will send you this Sackboy for free. I mean worldwide free shipping if my video got 1000 like. If my video got 1000 like, I will be doing by myself and then announcing the winner. Overall, I'm a huge fan of Sackboy. I mean, yeah, every PlayStation Vita owner must have a Sackboy in front of his monitor or workplace. It's awesome. Now, give me any comment you like in the section below. Again, support me on Patreon and then buy the PlayStation Vita t-shirt. Me timing out. You see timing out. Bye.